McKinsey says 44% of workers will need new skills by 2027. That is 1.4 billion people globally, right now. This is happening. Google just automated 25% of internal support tickets using Gemini. No humans needed. Customer service roles are collapsing fast. Teleperformance cut 7,400 jobs last month, all automation related. Their stock went up anyway. Amazon deployed 520,000 robotic drive units across warehouses. Human packers report shifts cut 40% this year alone. Logistics companies replacing workers with autonomous systems nationwide. Financial analysis jobs are vanishing next. Goldman Sachs replaced 600 traders with 2 AI systems. That 2 systems do the work of 600 humans. Your job might be next: bank tellers, data entry, basic accounting. All vulnerable before 2027 ends. But here is what matters. The workers who adapt now will thrive. The ones who wait will disappear into the statistics. This is not speculation. This is math. This is money. This is your career. Learn automation today or become the statistic tomorrow. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.